Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here and welcome back for another highlight. And you know the drill. We're going to unbox now the new Happy Meal toys. And by the way, it's not just an ordinary toy because it's an activity toy wherein we're going to play and do an activity with Crayola. Yay! So there are a total of 8 activity toys to collect. So meaning, we're going to unbox and show you how to do the activities and play with this toy. So let's go! So excited! Before we start with the first activity, I'm going to show you the new Happy Meal box design here in the Philippines. Yan. It's the Christmas edition 2025. Yan. Diba? New design siya. And it's related with the new Happy Meal toys, Crayola. Kasi like, you can see here, it's a drawing and colored by Crayola, 'di ba? So yan, para siyang handwritten or hand drawing by kids. 'Di ba? Cute. So let's start with the first one. Here is the Crayola Rocket Spiral Art. Ayan. 'Di ba? Medyo exciting. Actually, ang Crayola naglabas na last 2006 sa McDonald's. And ang laking difference kasi dati mas maraming plastic parts rather than the paper. And it's made out of plastics. What they call that? Clay. May mga clay. May mga pentel pen na Crayola, markers, and then the like. Then it's a projector. You could, may whiteboard marker. Yon. So marami siya. So sa mga 90s and early 2000s, yan. So for sure naman nakakuha kayo nun. Hopefully. So this toy comes with this, what do you call this one? Crayola Rocket Spiral. Biruin nyo, no? 2006 to 2025. So, ilan yun? Kayo na lang magbilang. So, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 10, 15, 19 years. Tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong, ha? So, yan. So, oh, okay. So, for this 1 year's the activity, yan, the astronaut. Actually, it's a planet Crayola. And by the way, meron palang make QR code. So, later on, let's try with this one. Okay? So, here's the activity book. Siyempre, yan. Ganun daw siya kagamitin. So, ito. Then, yan. Yan. Nice. Later. Sige. And it comes with, ang dami nangyari. Wait. It comes with this spaceship, gears. Then, it comes with stickers. Yan. Wherein you could design your rocket. Diba? Nice. And it comes with this pencil, color pencil, color orange, diba? So yan, sige, let's start na with this one. So ang maganda dito, so kung nagkamali kayo with the first one, pwede kayo sa second one ulit. But on the next pages, may space shuttle, spaceship, diba? Space shuttle. It's a plain circle. Siguro para siyang moon. Yan, di ba? And meteor? Tapos didesignan niyo siya. Yun. Ang cool, right? Then metallic to. Then here, yung parts ng spaceship. Sige. Anyway, let's start with this one. Okay. So, hopefully, maganda yung magawa natin. And magaya natin ito. So, yan. So, first, I'll just use this one. So, para makita niyo yung paggamit, yan na. Don't judge me, ha. Yan. So, wait, zoom lang natin siya. Yan. Okay. So, first, rotate niyo lang siya. Counterclockwise. Yan. And hawakan niyo syempre yung spaceship para hindi siya loosen up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oops, kinakabahan ako. In 1, 2, 3. Yan. Oops. Yan, hindi lumagpas na sa spaceship. Yan, nice. Then, pwede naman sa other, tawag dito, circle. Yan, para meron magkaibang pattern. Then, dito. Yan. So, i-rotate nyo lang siya. Susundan nyo lang siya. Hopefully, clear. sa camera. Wait, pakita ulit natin. Yan na. So, basta ipasok nyo lang here, patayo. Yan, then ikot-ikot. Yan. Anyway, that's it for this one. And for the other gear, let's see naman. Siguro here na lang. Kung ano namang itsura niya. Yan na. Okay. Nakakamiss maglaro nito. Yan. Number 2. And number 3. Yan. Okay. So, here's the first one. I mean, the first one. Here's the design. So, actually, nasobrahan to ng ikot. But, I know you could do better pa with this one. Kasi medyo kabado ako. First time ko nag-demo ng ganito. And second one, ganito. And prepared ko ito. Diba? And for the stickers, you could stick your stickers here. Diba? Para ma-designan yung rocket. Wait, let's see. Ganda, no? Actually, I bought 2 complete set. And for the yung one piece is for ano lang yun, for tawag dito, for collection. And for this one, it's for for this vlog. Kasi actually ayoko nang nagagamit yung tama ba yung nilagay ko? Yan, okay. So, ayoko yung nagagamit yung toy kasi wala lang. Mas gusto kong siya for collection talaga. And ngayon lang ako nag-demo. Yan. And medyo OC kasi ako sa mga ganito. Okay. So, like this one na mo. Hindi siya pantay. Di ba? Nakatawa naman to. Uy, sa mga kids at heart dyan, like me, adults. Di ba? Uy, ang nice nito. Nasa-challenge din kayo actually. Uy, masarap maging bata ulit Pansamantala. Sa dami nating problem sa life. Diba? Then here, tama bang, pwede here. Pwede here. I think I'll just stick it here in the middle. Oh, cute. And, dito siya. Sa skyrocket. Tama ba? Tama, sundan na lang natin to. Pero hindi ko na ginaya yung design, ha? So, it's up to you naman how will you design your rocket, diba? Middle. Ooh, nice. So, this is my first design na nagawa. And you could stick naman din dito yung mga, yan, like this one. And here, stars. Dikit tayong stars. 1, 2, and 3. And ano pa? Natutuwa ako. Parang bumalik ng grade school. Anyway, that's it for the first one. Yan, ina-adjust ko yung camera. Hopefully, okay lang. Yan. And actually, it's currently 2 a.m. in the morning. Kaya please bear with me kung ano masabi ko. And by the way, 1 pencil lang siya. So, yan. So, here's the first activity. The Crayola Rocket Spiral Art. And here's the second one. The Crayola Planet Spiral Art. So, it's like the same as the first one. And please bear with me, medyo matagal tong video na to since pinapakita ko kung paano siya gamitin, 'di ba? So, hopefully, ma-enjoy nyo. Okay. So, it's like the same nga. And let's see kung ano bang pinaka-difference lang niya with the other one. O, di ba? May gears din. Then, may Saturn naman siya. Then, anong kulay kaya ng pencil? Oh, it's color blue naman. Kanina orange. Then, may alien eyes and legs. Then, may, what we call this, planets, spaceships, and then the like. Yan. Okay. So, yun, spaceships. Then, ito, mga aliens naman. Oh, cool. Alang, nice. Diba? Ito plain lang. Ang cool. So, sige ito. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Then, napatayo siya ha. Hindi not slanted. Then, yun. Okay. So, sa dito and dito. So, looking forward dito siya and malaki ito. Check na lang natin kung tama. Anyway, let's try. Sige. Okay. So, yan. Then, hawakan nyo dito. And pakita natin. Okay, so let's start with this one. So, ba't kaya iba yung ano? Anyway, let's try. Pero I think I'll just use this red na lang dito muna. And I'll use number 2 muna. 1 muna. 1, 2, 3. Maganda ata hindi natin siya paghahaluin. I think okay na siya. Yun. Yan, ganyan siya. And then with this, sa next one, sa body naman, sige, ito naman, gamitin natin. Siguro itong, ito na lang. Ano to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heptagon, di ba? Heptagon shape naman to. 1, 2, 3. Nakatuwa siya actually talaga. It's giving me 90s. Kasi actually nung 5 years old ako, mga nanonood dito right now, highlighters. Meron akong binili nito sa mga, ano lang, sa mga tindahan lang. Na yan, parang 10 pesos lang yung may toy na ganito. Hindi ko makalimutan yun. And for this one, sige, I'll make gaya na lang dito. Pero hindi, sige, ibahin na lang natin. I'll use this color green. Sticker. Ang nice. Yan. Actually, medyo OC ako sa mga pagdidikit ng stickers. But this time, nagmamadali tayo. Kaya, ganun talaga. Ang cute. So, yun lang siya. So, let's see. Ay, okay. Meron pang, ano ba to? Tenga ba to? Hindi, mata rin to eh. So, sige, ilagay lang natin tong ano, for the ears. Sa ears ba to? Sige, for the gray to, pero hindi, wag na nga. I'll use this one na lang, yung mga planet. Yan, gayahin natin yung sa taas and some, ano lang, shooting star. Cool. And meteor, my favorite. And another star. Yan. Okay, we're done with the second toy. So, yan siya. Kung compare natin with the first one, spaceship, ito naman alien. Okay. So, we're done with number 2, the Crayola Planet Spiral Art. And here's the third one, the Crayola Astronaut Activity Figure. Uy, may figure siya. Let's see. Yay. Alam nyo ba, highlighters, yung nakikita ko sa Sokmed na other toy collector, sabi nila pass daw muna sila with this toy. And actually, iba kinuha lang itong figure na to. Kasi like, di ba, toys siya, comparing with this one, paper. Pero hindi nila alam na it's giving nostalgic kasi. Lalo na sa mga millennials out there. Ewan ko ha, kasi kung na-enjoy naman nila yung childhood nila. Diba? Yan. Ewan ko na lang kung di nila ma-recall yung mga pinagagawa nalang ganito. And hello, si Crayola is our number 1 companion during the elementary days, diba? And kinder. Yan, ang ganda. Ano to, cut out? Pero wait, let's see. Yan. Zero Art to Life. Uy, ang nice. So, paano kaya to? Excited rin dun kung paano siya nagiging art to life. Siguro pag in-scan. Anyway, for this one, let's see. Kasi walang instruction na binabasa. So, number 1, oh, pwede nyong coloran. Then, like, sticker, lalagyan nyo ng sticker yon. And ito, for the astronaut. And ito, oh. Yan, okay. So, lalagyan rin ng sticker here. Ayan, mga lumilipad-lipad. And this one, sticker. Oh, cool, ha? So, yan. For this one, paano ba siya? Ano siya? Ah, okay. Yo, ganyan siya. Para siyang diorama. Yan, okay. Sige, let's just fix the camera para makita nyo. Okay, yan. Diba? So, it comes with color, ano pala? Color, let's see. Color blue. Yan, pwede nyo ipatong dito yung pencil. Ang nice, diba? Oh. So, this is a must-have sa lahat. Okay. Then, for this one, hindi na natin ito ididikit this time. Since, for me, maganda na to. But you could design pa. And yung mga coloring pencil, actually, kung kulang sa inyo tong isa, you could, combine all the pencils na kasama sa mga toys. Yan. So, you need to complete them, di ba? And, syempre, need natin buhayin yung astronaut. So, dikitin muna natin ng stickers. So, we're done. Yan. So, mas nabuhay na yung astronaut natin. Diba? Yan. So, here's the side-by-side. Oh, cool, diba? Actually, meron akong dinalagay na sticker like this one. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya ilalagay. Kasi, for this one, wala siyang instructions at the back. Yan, as you can see. So, it's up to you kung saan nyo siya ididikit. So, sabi nga dito, parang tinuturuan kayo ng unleash your creativity. Diba? So, there's no right or wrong here. And for this one, hindi nagagalaw yung arms. So, naka-fix lang siya. And what's great about this one after that, yan. So, parang, ang maganda dito, parang niyang kino-color yung background niya. Diba? Like, yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Diba? Meron agad tayong number 1 na maganda here. So, for this one, sige, display natin muna to dito. So, let's proceed with the next one. Anyway, before we proceed pala, pinalitan ko yung sticker niya. Dito pala siya sa harapan and sa likod to. Actually, it's not wrong naman or nor right kasi na-OC lang talaga ako. Yan, di ba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo kanina. But OC si Leo, kaya pinalitan. Anyway, let's proceed with the fourth one. Grabe na fourth one pa lang tayo. Kaya better if bibili kayo nito, pa isa-isa para ma-enjoy nyo thoroughly. Here's the Crayola Alien Rubbing Plates Station. So, let's see. Familiar na tong itong activity na to. So, for this one, may activity book na naman siya. So, okay. Nice. So yan. Sige, check natin muna. Bago natin i-judge. Yan, so there's stickers, yan, aliens, ang dami. Nice. Tapos, another planets. And, what is this one? So, let's see. What color? It's color violet naman. Nakasama. Oops, iusog lang natin nito. Baka magkahalo. And, okay. Okay. Alam ko na. So, ito is, paano ba? So, ito, yung backdrop lang niya. So, ito po siya. Parang dito niyo siya i-store, I think. Or no. Let's check, So, yan po siya. So, and I think one design lang. Tama ba? Wait, balik tayo natin. Okay. So, pwede nyong palitan. Pero, ba't ganun? I think no. Or pero it's up to you, highlighters. I think there's a reason for that. Wait, medyo na-OC ako dito since parang may pattern siyang sinusundan. Sorry, nawawala na ata sa camera. Yan, di ba? Anyway, pero as for this one, yung number 1, follow natin. Follow, idikit doon. So, tama naman yung ginawa natin. Okay. Sorry na. Ganito siya. So, yan. Pwede siyang ganito. Pwedeng ganon. Okay. So, for this one naman, yung square. So, ano lang siya, hook para maangat nyo siya. Okay, alam nyo na. Pwede siyang ganyan, pwedeng ganyan. So, it's up to you kung anong design na gusto nyo. And lastly, pwede siyang ganyan, or baliktarin. Ganyan. So, palitan natin. Sige. I'll choose this cute little... Pwede siyang alien, pwede siyang astronaut. Alam niyo na. So, syempre, I'll choose the astronaut one. Then, lalagay niyo siya sa ilalim. Okay. And ayusin natin, of course, yung camera, dikit na natin. Video pala. Camera, video. And, okay. So, let's start. Center na siya. And in 1, 2, 3. Ganda oh. Oh. Na-expose, diba? Whee! Yan. Okay. So, here's the pattern ng astronaut. Hey! I like this one. Yan. Okay, let's move forward. And once again, here's the Crayola Alien Rubbing Plate Station. Okay, for this one, we're down with the last 4. O, di ba grabe, last 4 pa. Okay, sige, let's start with this one muna. The Crayola Alien Stencil Art. I think it's the same. Ito, Crayola is Astronaut Stencil Art, then ito is Alien. Oh, okay. Ngayon ko lang siya na-figure out. So, ito, like this one, may Crayola Rocket and Crayola Planet. Oh. And for this one, parang nag-iisa lang siya. Crayola Alien Rubbing Plate Station kasi baliktaran yung plates. Okay. Now I know. And ito naman, Alien and Planet. So, sige. I-open na natin side by side para it wouldn't take long na. So, ito muna i-open natin para ma-demo lang natin. Okay? So, siguro for this one, I'll just play with the aliens na lang. Okay? So, cool. Ayan, so alien. Okay? Oh, and then may ano siya, may pattern. Pero nakakamiss lang, no? Kasi usually, ano to, hindi siya paper yung gamit, kundi plastic. Ayan yung mga stencils wherein you could just trace it here para ma-designan yung pinaka-blank na figure or shape. I mean, yan, okay. Here's the alien. And of course, you could design it with stickers after. Okay. And on the other side, here's the astronaut stencil. Check natin kung anong pinagkaiba. Okay, of course, it comes with the stickers. Wait, nasa isang sticker? Of course, it comes with color pencil. Yan, it's color light blue. Ano nga palang color nito? Hindi natin nakita. It's color green. Yay. And yan, sinasabi ko na nga eh. I think for dito yan, para hindi mag-rumble. And okay. Then, of course, the stencils. Yan siya. Napagkukunik kaya to? Curious enough. Yan. Then, for the astronaut, ito yung design. Diba? Cool. Yan. So, mamili lang kayo kung team alien or team astronaut. So, yan. Ang cool nung pattern ng Happy Meal. So, may spaceship, may astronaut, may meteorite, then may Happy Meal. Woo! Ang ganda! So, yan. Magkaiba yung stencil niya in short. So, for this one, I'll not use this anymore na muna. So, isa na lang para hindi na tayo matagalan since the same lang naman siya. So, example ko lang ito. Si Alien. Okay? So, let's start. Let's arrange our, what they call this one? Camera. Oops. Yan. Okay. So, ilagay nyo lang sa pattern inside. Yan. Hook yan. Make sure sa loob siya nakapasok. Yan. Okay. So, pantay na. And, yun. It's up to you whether you'll color it or just trace. Pero, syempre, color na lang natin. Okay? Wala, nice. Tuwa naman. Dito mo nalalo pa ako. Okay, so we're done. And in 1, 2, 3, let's remove the stencil. Here we go. Ang ganda. Diba yung ano ng alien? Oh, pantay na pantay tayo sa loob mo. And of course, I've used a different color ng color pencil. And again, you could design your artwork with these stickers. Diba? So that's it for the Crayola stencil art. Okay? Again, hindi ko na siya ayusin. Ay, hindi ko na ito ipapakita since the same lang naman. Okay? And, wait, ayusin ko lang. Let's proceed with the last two. Yan, second to the last. Uy, by the way, glow-in-the-dark stickers, ha? Okay. So, here's the Crayola Rocket Activity Coloring Book. Okay. So, may instructions muna. So, 5 to 20 minutes, naiilawan nyo siya and i-close nyo para mag-glow in the dark. Ooh, ang cool. Ito ba yun? Okay. Ito siya. Yung glow in the dark stickers. Yan ha. So, ilawan nyo muna siya for 5 to 20 minutes. Then, close the lights. Then, go glow in the dark siya. Okay? So, for this time, hindi ko na mapapakita since baka tumagal na tayo ng sobra. Okay, so here's the coloring book. Let's see muna. Let's open muna. Maraming nangyari. Wait, isa-isayin natin. Okay. So, para siya activity book, hindi lang siya coloring book, diba? Activity coloring book. Okay, for the first one, you could pop this up, diba? Para you could build a rocket. Ang nice ah. Yan, I like this one. Nice. So, yun na. So, for this one, I wouldn't build it na kasi medyo tatagal tayo. So, yan. Kayo na bahala. Then, for this one, may mga pattern. Yan, mga activities. So, hanapin nyo lang siya like 1B. What do you call this one? Yung pinaka midpoint niya. Yung axis. I mean, so for this one, ito na lang. Saan siya? It's C3. Yan. So, fill up nyo lang dito. Then, second one, yan, kokoloran nyo lang. Maze, hanapin nyo lang dito. Yan, pakita na lang natin kung ano meron. Coloring book, actually, one is not enough since like one color lang siya. And it's color, wait, pakita natin, orange. Yan, color orange lang. So, better, sana na meron kayo isang set ng coloring pencils, diba? Yan. Actually, maganda rin yung bright idea din na color pencil yung nilagay nila. Yan. So, sino siya? Saan siya dito? Ito siya. Diba? Bright idea din yung color pencil since pag Crayola na crayons talaga, mababali siya. Diba? And of course, here's the last but not the least. Here's the Crayola Glow in the Dark Poster B Green Alien. So, yun pala, worldwide release, I'm not pretty sure how many to collect. But you could search it sa Google. Kasi like this one, Poster B. So, may Poster A, di ba? So, most probably, that's the astronaut. And cool glow in the dark green stickers nito. Yan, okay? So, let's see. Color. Anong kulay ng pen? Violet ulit. Anyway. So, here's the ang ganda Shining, shimmering, splendid. Ganda na stickers, no? Yan, sa mga mahilig sa stickers, actually, matutuwa kayo sobra nito. And, ang daming stickers. Poster ito So, let's see kung saan natin to gagamitin lahat. May number. And again, 5 to 20 minutes sa light para umilaw to. Yan. I mean, mag-glow in the dark, okay? Kasi iba yung umilaw. Hindi siya battery operated. And for the poster, hopefully makuha lahat ng camera natin. Ang laki. Of course, it's poster, 'di ba? So, yan. Ooh. 'Di ba? Nice. So, ito siya. Pakita natin. Yan. May mga activity sheet rin. And at the front, that's the back part. And here's sa front. Ang ganda. So, yung poster ng astronaut. Kala ko ba ano to? Alien. Dark poster, green alien. Pero astronaut nakalagay. Kaya nabala. Anyway, yan. So, for this one, like, yan o, ito. Itong may number 4, didikit nyo dito. Yan. So, ganito naman siya. So, again, ang dami niya, para 45 stickers lahat. So, kayo na highlighters magdikit naman ng stickers dito sa poster na to. Okay? Baka maging 1 hour na yung video natin. Anyway, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo for this unboxing and pagturo sa inyo on how to play with this activity toys by McDonald's. The Crayola, the Planet Crayola. And of course, I'll show you how to play with the QR code. Tignan natin kung ano meron. Yan. So, we're done showing you all the Crayola activity toys. Diba? Ang dami. Total of 8 to collect. And of course, before we end this video, I'm going to ask you which one is your favorite among all activity. Yan. Yan. So, for this one, kasi like, for me, syempre ma-toy figure ako, kaya I'll choose this one. Okay, number 1 ko siya. But for the activities naman alone, sige, ialisin natin to. Mas pipiliin ko siguro, ito kasi, itong spiral art na to, hindi na siya sa akin bago, but it's cool, 'di ba? Then itong poster, ang ganda, nung i-stick mo yung sticker, medyo fan ako nito. Then, itong coloring book, okay naman rin siya. And ang daming activities, 'di ba? Then, may stencils, yan. Medyo basic ito, pero ang ganda din. And of course, this one, yung rubbing plate. Okay. So, if I'm going to choose with this total of 7 here, remove natin to. Ito pipiliin ko. Si rubbing plate station. Ang cool lang kasi, yung nare-reveal mo yung pattern, di ba? And parang galing-galing mong artist kapag nagawa mo tong activity na to. Parang ganun siya for me. And di ba dati nung kids tayo, like sa mga millennial dyan, hello sa mga nanonood na millennial dyan. Now, we're using coins and paper just to copy the details doon. Diba? So, yun. And actually, kapag nagre-renew ka ng car, yung mga number doon, ginaganda na may stencil na yung tawag nila doon. Ayan, ang ganda. Yan. So, if ever you're going to, if you're going to ask me where to collect, lalo na kung avid collector ka talaga ng Happy Meal toys. And kung masaya siya, okay siya laruin, yes. But hindi siya sabay-sabay like me. Medyo na-drain ako afterwards kasi like iba-ibang activity siya. So better one at a time. Okay. And yun. worth it naman to buy this one. And, syempre, di ba, may papalampasin ba naman tayo? Syempre, hindi tayo nagpapahuli, di ba? Highlighters ka eh. Anyway, that's all for this one, for the December Toys of McDonald's Philippines. So see you January for the next McDonald's Philippine Happy Meal Toys. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. But wait, there's more. Kala nyo After this video, I'm going to review a toy from other country, and that's the Zootopia 2. Yan. It's from the China or Asian country version kasi since wala tayong Disney eh. So, yun. Ay na may unbox natin. So, don't be sad. Makikita pa naman rin tayo this December. Okay. Anyway, hope you follow Highlighters at Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course, YouTube. So that's it, Highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified Highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!